In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add files or folders to starred list on Google Drive. By the end, you'll know how to quickly mark your most important items, so they're always just a click away. Starring in Google Drive is like bookmarking. It doesn't move or share the file. It simply flags it for fast access in your own account. First, go to Google in your web browser. Look to the top right corner of the Google homepage. You'll see the Google Apps icon, which looks like a small grid of 9 dots. Click that grid to open the app launcher. This panel shows Google's services in one place, and it's the easiest way to hop straight into Drive. Next, click Drive in the Apps panel to open your Google Drive. You'll land in My Drive, where your folders and files live. Take a second to make sure you're in the right Google account if you use more than one. Your profile picture in the top right will show which account is active. Now find the folder or file you want to star. Hover your mouse over the item to reveal more options. Then click the 3 vertical dots, often labeled More Actions. This menu is where Google groups most of the tools you'll use to manage an item without opening it. In the menu that appears, move your mouse over the option labeled Organize. You may see it spelled Organize depending on your language settings, but it's the same place. Hovering here opens a small submenu with organization-related actions. From that submenu, click Add to Starred. As soon as you do, the item is marked with a star, and Drive adds it to your personal starred list. You haven't moved or duplicated anything. The file stays exactly where it was, but now it's flagged for quick retrieval. This is perfect for active projects, shared documents you open daily, or reference folders you return to often. After starring, you'll spot a star icon next to the item's name, and the starred section in Drive's left sidebar will include it as well. If you later change your mind, you can use the same 3 dots menu and the same organize path to manage its star status. Starring is private to you, so no one else sees what you've marked. That's it. You opened Google, used the app grid to jump into Drive, selected your item, hovered over Organize, and clicked Add to Starred. Use this simple habit to keep high-priority files and folders at your fingertips, reduce search time, and stay focused on what matters most.